Guys, Averroes here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my entire journey of 2 semesters in final year of law school. It's been one of a trip. It's a journey that it's really hard for me to describe in just a few words. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you my daily life and the entire journey and experience that I felt again throughout my entire time here in final year of UiTM Shah Alam Law School. So if you guys are ready, let's jump right in and let's witness the entire journey. Usually at this time of the day, around 6 to 9 a.m. in the morning, I will wake up and I'll perform my suba prayers first thing in the morning. Then I'll drink water to keep myself hydrated and go for a shower to prepare myself for a really big day for class. Or if I don't even have any classes in the morning, I will go up to do calisthenics and go for a walk at my nearby park near my college. But before that, I will have breakfast, and the usual breakfast that I will have is roti canai and a jug of Milo. And that's me here at the park. The park here in section 2 is very, very beautiful. It's picturesque, it's serene. It's really breathtaking once you come here. It's so lush with all the greeneries and vegetation here. You should definitely come here for exercise and just to keep yourself relaxed and calm. This is me at 10 a.m. if I have class on that particular day. So I will come to class on my motorcycle. This is the auditorium where one of my classes will be held. And sometimes we will have our class, well, not sometimes, but we will have our class at this AL room at Al-Farabi. And during this time, it's Umar teaching us corporate law. And it looks like everyone's keen on leaving. I don't know, I think everyone's going to go for lunch after that because, yeah, we have lunch at 12. And this is also the auditorium room at the Pitar Library, the Law Pitar building. We will study here as well.
Jika orang try dulu salah dulu, kalau kita ajak ramai-ramai. Tak, kau tahu, aku test 3
Time for lunch. Time for lunch. So this is we are going to having lunch. This is how I spend my noon in law school. So yeah, we'll be having lunch. Goodbye, Saro. Selamat berpuasa.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, let's go Fitri, let's go. Yo, lunch.
Tahu 19 awal. Mana rumah kau? Kau di dalam?
My dearie. Earlier in the semester, we will definitely have lunchtime together, but as the semesters goes by, it's really hard to have lunch together and everyone's eating in class by themselves. As you can see here, this is my classroom and I'm recording from where I sit. It seems that during lunch, everyone's doing their work as well and kind of busy despite it being lunch. And a lot of people don't prefer to eat outside. Maybe they do. So this is a view, the entrance into my classroom. Even my classmates, they sell their own food and beverages to us. So we don't have to go outside and buy our own meal. Hey guys, this is my classroom. This is class A or group A. This is the table of my firm behind me. This is my table or desk, if you guys are wondering. So I'm going to take you around this classroom, and people call this classroom the aquarium class because all the walls are mostly made out of glass and windows, so people can peek us through the windows. I'm going to walk right in front. That's Haikal, by the way. So yeah, this is my classroom. Okay, so that's where the lecturer sits down. That's the TV projection. It's very small. I can't even see what's on the screen for my table right over there at the end. Yeah, that's my helmet. That's where I sit. I don't know if people put anything in here, but it looks kind of empty. It's just empty. It's nothing inside. Absolutely nothing. What do we have here, down here? Oh, even the knob is badly damaged. No way of fixing it. Yeah, absolutely nothing. I don't dare touch that. My desk or a cubicle. I put my stat sheets on the left. Then I charge my laptop and phone with the sockets there. It's just that the bad thing about my chair is when I sit down, the recline goes very low and I fall down easily. And one of the wheels on the chair is missing because I came very late on the first day and everyone got their perfect chairs while I got the defect badly worst chair ever that's available in this classroom. But I mean, it's alright. I'm not staying here for years to come. It's only this semester. So every morning I'll come inside, I'll park my motorcycle there and I come in. If I'm too lazy, I don't even punch in my card. That's a good code over there. Some students will also put their cards here to punch out and punch in. Later in the afternoon, when I get really busy, it's actually part of my daily routine. I will go to the gym and work out on myself, or I will do calisthenics again at the park, because I really do believe that by improving your own mental and physical health, it will really excel you in life and make you feel better about yourself and make you more healthier, so you can stay focused and you are someone who is very passionate and motivated, and you are goal oriented, and you have the drive to further excel and find more achievement and success in life. Because I do realize that once a person who is very devoted and dedicated in finding their own purpose, they can achieve a lot of things in life. And lastly, this is me having dinner or supper with my friends to end the day for for the entire day, and then I will go to sleep. To top this video off, one of the few advices or lessons that I like to share with everyone while studying at university is to, number one, make a lot of mistakes. By making a lot of mistakes while you're studying, you are able to actually understand and better know what will be the challenges in the working world in the future. And number two is to have lots and lots of fun. I really did repair my mistake that I did back in Dental, because I only stayed in my room and study. But once I was in degree, I was able to enjoy myself and have lots of fun, even though there may be some repercussions there. But I think it was all worth it in the end. Lastly, number three is to always stay disciplined and consistent. It can be anything that you strive to have in life. It can be from a business, or it can be from a career that you want, or something that you're very passionate about. Always maintain discipline and consistent with it, because in the end, it really does show from your hard work and diligence that through your consistency and discipline, you are able to accomplish many things if you stay the course and maintain it at all cost. That will be all that I'd like to be sharing with you guys in this video. Thank you guys so much for the support and viewing this video until the very end. I hope that this video did give you guys what will be the expectations and the daily life as a law student here in UiTM Shah Alam. Once again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in the upcoming videos. Until then, have a fantastic day ahead of you.